guys, welcome back to our video editing class, and in this class I will be showing you how to replace backgrounds, right, with blue screens and green screens. Okay, and I'll also be teaching you how to do what we call the clone effect using Capcut. So what do I mean by the clone effect? If I'm talking about the clone effect, I'm talking about things like this.
Video. Keep exploring!
Alright, so that is what I want to show you exactly. So in this video, this is what I did. I shot two clips of myself. I shot one with a blue background, so I'm going to drag to my timeline so that you can see. So now this is one video of myself. I shot this video. Now if I play this, you see that there is a blue screen behind me, which is a blue material, right? So, and if you discover, I was facing a particular angle and I was talking to as if there was somebody sitting right there, right? So that was what I did. That was the first thing I did. Now the second thing I did was I also shot another clip again of myself, right, facing the other direction, and was acting like I was listening to the conversation. So let me play so you see. Okay, so and you see that my background was a kind of a blue background, an automatic blue background. Okay, so and I want to make myself two. How do I double myself in a particular screen, right? How do I make myself two? So I'm going to do that, and that is called the clone effect. So that's what I want to show you today. So I'm going to delete this. Now I'm going to import. Before I do that, I will drag this background. Okay, I got this stripes background, as you can see on my screen. Let me enlarge it, let me increase it so you see what I'm talking about. So I want to use this background, right, to replace the blue screen background. This is a sky blue background, okay? This is a sky blue background, don't be confused, right? A sky blue or a sea blue, right? Then the background I used, right, in that clip was a pure navy blue background, okay? So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag one of the clips, okay, to my timeline, right? I'm going to drag this. Okay, let me reduce the timeline a little. Then I'll extend the new background at my back, right? So that now the next I'll do is I'll take this clip, right? I'll take the other clip, which is this one, okay, this one, and I'm going to drag to my timeline, right? So when I drag, I have something like this. Okay, very good. I'm going to reduce. Okay, I'm going to reduce. Now this is what I'll do. Now you see that this first clip is what I can see right now, but this second one I can't see it. Okay, why? First clip has been overlaid directly upon it. Now if I reduce, you see that this is all you have. Okay, this is what you have because I overlaid this directly upon it. So how do we put the both guys right on the same screen? And that is what we call the clone effect, right? So I'm going to remove the background of the first guy, right? But before I do that, I'll crop the guy. I'll crop the image to suit what I want. I'll crop like this, right? And I'll crop again. I'll drag this part, right? And this is what we call cropping. Okay. So once I crop this way, right, I would confirm. Then I'll drag to one side of my screen. Okay. Now the next thing I'll do is I'll click on the second clip, which is below, right? Then I am going to adjust this one too by cropping it. Click on crop on my crop tool, then drag. Okay, I'll reduce this one a little bit. So if you don't want to reduce it, no problem. So I'm going to confirm this. All right, so I've succeeded in doing this. Okay, now what do I do? The next thing to do is to remove their background both. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my cutout tool, right? When you click on the video, now let me ensure that the videos are aligned together. Okay, I'll click on my control key. I'll hold my control key down, then click on 1, 2. All right, so everything are in alignment. Okay, so I'm going to delete to the right. So when I delete to the right, I have those unwanted part taken out. Okay, so that all the three clips, all the three objects can be in the same line. Okay, hold your control key down and select the three of them, then delete right. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to remove the background of the first guy, which is this clip, right? Go to cutout. Under your video tab here, you go to cutout, right? You see cutout, you click on cutout, you come to chroma key, alright? Click on chroma key, select your color picker, right? It will now tell you which color do you want to choose. Now if I overlay it on my face, you see that it's picking my face color, right? If I take it off there, I'll bring it here, right? Then click on the blue color, then increase the strength, right? To, you see that the background is gone. Alright, the background is gone. So that's how you take off the background. Okay, then increase the shadow a little bit, right? In order to make up for all those patches on the suit, right? Okay, the next thing is I'll click on this one now. Then do the same thing. Likewise, click on my chroma key, then click on my color picker, right? Then it's gonna tell me what color do I want to select. Now if I hover over my face, see that there is that chocolate color is picking. If I click on it, it will remove the color of my face, okay? But it's the blue I want to remove. So I'll take off the navy blue, click on it, then increase the strength, right? Now it has taken off the strength, it has taken off the blue color behind me. So I'm going to increase the shadow to make up for those little patches you see on my suit, right? Because as I increase the strength, sometimes it might affect my clothes, but when I increase the shadow a little, since I'm putting on black, it will make up for that those spaces, okay? So that's how to replace your background, and that's how to do what we call the clone effect. So now if I play from the beginning, you see this is what I have. Let me mute this. So you see that this is what I have. I'm going to adjust, okay? I'm going to adjust this. I'm going to adjust this too. Okay, so I'm playing. So watch what I have. So I have myself talking to my other self, okay? So, and with my background replay. So if you don't know, you think that I was in the studio, I was somewhere, right? Having this show. So this is how to replace your background, and this is how to do the clone effect. See you in the next class.
I can't love